Egypt 1 Bafana North sanibona bafethu uvane lo so namhlanje ngizokhuluma ama positives nama negatives ale game ade siyibuka ke namhlanje kade kuyigame emnandi indlela eyisimanga le bafethu nje Bafana ke bafethu ingayiwinanga le game le ezabalandeli kodwa ke isivulo amehlo yabo ngezinto Bafana eshoda ngazo ngezinto Bafana eleka kuzona yabo so ngizoqala ngeapproach le game indlela uHugo Broos approach ngakhona le game le indlela ayiqale ngakhona yabo against Egypt siyazi ke bafethi Egypt ayinabo abadlali abatheni abadlala le Europe abadlali abakhona ba few yabo Mohamed Salah benoMamush futhi Mohamed Salah benoMamush abawuqedanga umdlalo bakhishiwe nabo because ade bengadlali ngalendlela le ade beyitsho ukuthi bazodlala ngakhona yabo approach ya coach approach indlela approach ngakhona le game le besizo defender besingazile nje ukuzo attack kule game le besizo defender naye ke bafithe indlela approach ngakhona igame eswini bedlalisa bani umbatha kububani kubusithole mase kuba uTebogo Mgwena defensively besimnandi kakhulu eswini yabo mase kuba oswina police ka right mase kuba Moremi ka left abajida ke bakwazile ukuthi bayisisi Bafana but ke I'm not a big fan of umjido oswina police edlala ka right akasinikezi lutho mezodlala ka right same ezomoremi mebezombeka ka right akasinikezi lutho I feel like oyedwa wabo kumele aqale umunye wabo kumele ahlale ebenchini but ke igame namhlanje ngizokhuluma igame namhlanje ama positives ami yabo I really like indlela Bafana defender akhona yes siluzile but siluze ngani na siluze ngepenalty siluze ngepenalty hle simbona umdawu ezenza lesa zinto la ku Betway Premiership bafethu yabo lento yakhe nyayazi bafethu but ke namhlanje isikhostile because sidlala ku stage esikhulu asina iVAR la South Africa nje asingenayo nje iVAR umdawu guess to get away with into kanje yabo siyalwazi udaba bafethu siyalwazi udaba isandla mesibusweni ipenalty but ke I feel like namhlanje urefi uyena oyidetectile le game uyena oyimoshe kakhulu le game le for Bafana yabo imphelile nje igame ngenxa ref but ke angifuni ukuzokhalaza kakhulu ngoref because nathi besinamathuba ukuthi siyibulale le game le but ke asibanga aswabulalanga lo mathuba isetup yasemuva ngifuna ukukhuluma ngesetup yasemuva besemnandi emuva ngizokhuluma ngesisu yabo isisu sethu namhlanje bafethu angifuni ukuqamba manga Hugo Broos akayifundanga le game le angazi noma akayifundanga noma bekwenze njani yabo ukube mhlambe befuna ukuba defensive bengamele aqale nge8 bengamele aqale nge8 bengamele athathe uTebogo Mgwena amfake ezubani ezilumjida lo unumber 10 uTebogo Mgwena akwazi ukudlala unumber 10 yabo namhlanje ku first half ubani uRonan Williams befuna ukuthatha amabhola awanikeze umdlalo njengoTebogo Mgwena uTebogo Mgwena ade ecashile engale kwabani kwasithole benombathu uyayasithola akafunanga udrop azocollect ibhola sijwayele ukumbona uTebogo Mgwena ezocollect ibhola liqhamuka from uWilliams into esijwayele ukuyibona le ku Betway Premiership nakuBafana but right now uMokoena ubele phambili bebemphushile udlala phambili why uMokoena ade dlala number 10 ezinye zezinto lezo bekumele uyibuza kona uHugo Broos namhlanje I feel like iapproach imlahle kakhulu because bengayenza sense ukube mhlambe ubedlala nge6 wase wafaka unumber 10 yabo for me lokho bekuzoyenza sense afaka uObas nobani noTebogo Mgwena bekuzoyenza sense ukube befuna ukuba defensive mawuzodlala i8 njengoba uzodlala i8 nje umbatha benosithole abaconnect abakaze baconnect and futhi abasoze baconnect umbatha benosithole okuwese uzothatha bani unumber 6 uzomdlalisa as unumber 10 angazi ngempela but ke for me igame yaBafana iqale kahle second half yabona second half ila khona siyiqalile khona igame sayidictator ngempela na first half besiyiphethe ibhola position Bafana ibimnandi kakhulu yabo into yethu ke vele position siyakwazi ukudlala ibhola siyakwazi ukushaya 1-2 but ke hiyo nje into engizokhala ngayo going forward Bafana uHugo Broos ne technical team yakhe kumele bayilungise I feel like forward kunabadlali asebedlala nje abangafuni ukuphuma angazi noma abafuni noma abakhishwa uyena ucoach forward guys I feel like ama forwards zethu awasinikezi into esifuna ukuyithola phambili yabo ngizombala nje nayo Foster mfethu uscorelile last game but come on guys we have to be honest with ourselves did you see Lyle Foster playing today we have to be honest with ourselves I only saw Lyle Foster creating a beautiful flick yabo a beautiful back heel kubani kuModiba iyona into engiyibona ngoFoster namhlanje but you saw when we introduced the likes of Makgopa I'm not saying this because he plays for Orlando Pirates I know Makgopa he always creates chances for Orlando Pirates he always creates chances for abadlala around him he is that type of player but today you didn't see that from Lyle Foster You didn't see that from Lyle Foster. Truth be told, yabo, I don't want to bring urefe kakhulu kule game le. Not we had our own chances to kill off the game. We had many chances to kill off the game. But this is a lesson to our players. This is a big lesson to our players going forward. We know what to do. We are going to play with Zimbabwe. I feel like we already know the mandate. The players know the mandate. They know what to do against Zimbabwe. It's either we finish off Zimbabwe. I don't even want to talk about it draw against Zimbabwe because anything can happen against Nigeria. Not in Nigeria per se, but Egypt. Ni Angola yabo, because Egypt akusiyona i-team bafethu eqine ngaleyo ndlela, akusiyona i-team edlala ngaleyo ndlela. You saw namhlanje bafana ibiphezulu kwabo yo, yabona ngiyakhala kakhulu ngalesa sandla lesiya. Angazi ngempela noma i-VAR noma mhlawumbe yithi esingenalo ulwazi le VAR yabo. Isandla sishaya ibhola, isandla singakabi phansi. Ibhola lishaya isandla njalo, ibhola lishaya isandla singakabi phansi. I feel like siyawazi umthetho. Vele umdlali mebeka isandla phansi yabo, umdlali mebeka isandla phansi kanje ibhola lafika lazoshaya, obvious ngeke kube penalty leyo. But uma isandla singakathindi phansi, guys, isandla mesingakathindi phansi, I think we know that ukuthi ipenalty leyo, because isandla besingakathindi phansi phela umdlalo udinga ubalance naye yabo. But ke overall for me abajita bangidlalelile kahle mina yabo. I think the boys fought very very good. Silwile yabo, ukulwa kwethu ke akusinikezanga u3 points. Hugo Bros ngizomgxeka kule game le. I feel like ucoach akwazi ukushintsha. Ucoach kunento emshayayo engafuni ukushintsha. I don't know why engathanda ukushintsha Hugo Bros. Why Hugo Bros engathandi ukushintsha? Isidingo sikhona. Isidingo like shintsha abadlali early kusanesikhathi. Hayi lento lokushintsha abadlali seku8. Mina ngiyi-understand le concept yokushintsha abadlali seku8 because ufakela labadlali obafakala i-pressure singayidingi. We only need goals. We only need goals in this game. Wena uzofakela abadlali i-pressure bafaka ngo8, uzobafaka ngo80 something. Sike bisidingo saleyo nto leyo. Second half thina bembela besibuye ngabadlali aba-attacker abaningi. Uzofaka uSiphombule kuphela, ushiya left aba2 abadlala egroundini. Ushiya uleft oyedwa odlala ka right. Uyazi uzakakwazi ukudlala kahle. Iside la ka right namhlanje lesinikeza ngalutho. Umdawu bengaconnect nomdlali ade edlala ka right. Umdawu bekuyena umdlala okaze aye phambili ayozama amathuba phambili because bebengaconnect. Umrembu befika adlala mase khahlela kancane because iside la ka right unyawo lakhe lu weak, akwazi ukukhahlela ka right. Angazi